How should one determine one's goals in life? I am struggling with this. Please guide.
There's a whole, you go to Barnes and Noble, you'll go, goal setting, the books and books and books. No, but it's good. One should have a goal in life. Swami Vivekananda said, have your own highest goal. What should be the goal in life? First of all, it should be your own goal. Own goal means read about it, listen to people, but then what appeals to the heart. There's a lot of things appeal to the heart. Yeah. I want to do good to people, I want to have that cookie, I'd rather have the parking spot and not give it to you. All of these things appeal to the heart. So Vivekananda says the noblest of all of them. In all the things that appeal to you, what is the highest and noblest, what you feel is high and noble? You'll often see these things involve other people also. Generally, it's not limited to an individual, generally. But a high and noble goal need not always be like social service. It can also be something like art or science or... so, high and noble goal. Have a goal. You see, if you get into a cab there and the guy asks, where to? Say, just drive. No. You don't do that. And yet in our lives we do that, Where are you going? If you ask, what's the goal? Especially students I've seen in India, they're so, what's your goal in life? They give you a lecture on what should be the goal in life. But what is their goal in life? Apart from what they've been programmed by the parents, you have to be a doctor or engineer or something like that. Apart from that, what do you want in life? They look at you blankly. They've never been asked to think for themselves and see what is the dream in life, personal goal in life. It's like getting into a cab and just drive. That man, the story of the man who was galloping through the village on a horseback. And somebody asked, sir, where are you going in such a hurry? And he said, I don't know, ask the horse. That's our life. Ask the horse. If you don't know where you are going, you won't like where you get to. Because you never wanted to go there. So, always, definitely. And because it's a Vedanta society, it's not a group of young people. For that, I recommend Tony Robbins and things like that. But because it's a Vedanta society, the goal in life should be enlightenment. God realization. In whatever way you understand it. My own real nature. It always seemed to me, if this is true, what the religions of the world say, what Vedanta says, if it is true, then what else is worth having in life? This is worth having in life. If this is not true, what else is worth having in life? Nothing is worthwhile. So this should be the goal in life. Right now you might say, I need to get an education, I need to put my financial affairs in order, I need to, my job, all these are pulling the demands on me. Yes, dharma, artha, kama, they have the pull on you. But overall goal, final goal in life, always should be enlightenment. Keep it. It's a great blessing even to formally acknowledge to yourself what the Buddha wanted, what Vivekananda wanted. I also want that. It's open to me. It's open to everybody. They wanted and they said it's open to everybody. That's the goal of humanity. So Vivekananda said, the goal of life is to manifest the divinity already present within us. It's not just the goal of religion. Religion is the way to do it. Spirituality is the way to do it. But our goal is that. Simple and direct. And truly speaking, whether we'll know it or not, that is our goal. When we say, I want to be happy, I want to be fulfilled, I want to be successful, what are you really asking for? You're asking for enlightenment. You may not see the link. If you see the link, you are a spiritual seeker. Don't see the link, you're just living, you say, I'm just living my life. That's why Aurobindo said, life itself is yoga. Life itself is yoga. If we understand life deeply, what is happening, personal life and the way civilization is going, it is yoga. It's a kind of vast cosmic yoga. After some time we awaken to this process and then we do it consciously. We start reading books, attending lectures, starting to meditate, pray, philosophy, spiritual practices. We become conscious, we start doing it consciously. Then you call yourself a spiritual seeker. Just avidya maya to vidya maya. From bhoga to apavarga. Remember those ancient terms, bhoga is experiencing life. Apavarga is a conscious decision to reach enlightenment. Yes.
And